How does effective recruitment and management impact health and social care? This video explores the processes involved in managing people within this sector. Understand the importance of recruitment, training, and cultural diversity. Correct! The goal of this unit is to understand recruitment, management, and development processes in health and social care. It focuses on recruitment and retention skills. The importance of training and industrial relations is highlighted. Learners will also explore cultural diversity management. This knowledge is crucial for a supportive workplace. Proper document structure and formatting are essential. Start with an introduction to the unit. Include a table of contents for clarity. Write out the assessment criteria for the second task only. Ensure your document is professional with proper font size and spacing. Read tasks carefully and focus on details. Use command verbs to guide your writing. Explain, define, and describe within specific word limits. Use Harvard referencing for citations. Make your document presentable and ensure plagiarism is below 20%. Submit assignments via email, mentioning your target grade. Expect feedback and grades within 2 weeks. Queries can be emailed for a quick response. Resubmissions may require highlighted changes. This process ensures clarity and improvement. Health 4, all is expanding due to increased demand. CEO Steve Jones suggests a recruitment drive. Consultants with HR expertise are needed. You are bidding for this opportunity. A report is required for the board of directors. Prepare a presentation for the board of directors. Address factors in recruitment planning. Explain when specialist expertise is needed. Describe relevant legislation and frameworks. Evaluate selection process approaches. You have started as an HR consultant at Health for All. An updated HR plan is a priority. Prepare a preparatory report. Explain how to maximize performance. Focus on individual and group performance management. Goal setting is crucial for individual performance. Align goals with organizational objectives. Conduct regular progress reviews. Offer continuous feedback and constructive criticism. Provide tailored training to fill skill gaps. Performance-based incentives motivate employees. Non-monetary rewards recognize efforts. Flexibility in work hours enhances productivity. Understand individual preferences for a tailored environment. These strategies boost morale and efficiency. Career development is vital in health and social care. Lifelong learning enhances skills. Opportunities for growth should be encouraged. This sector offers diverse career paths. Continuous professional development is key. Effective monitoring ensures high performance. Use clear metrics for assessment. Regular evaluations help identify areas for improvement. Feedback should be constructive and timely. These techniques maintain quality standards. Identify training needs through assessments. Analyze skill gaps and provide solutions. Tailor training programs to individual needs. Encourage continuous learning and development. This approach enhances workforce capabilities. Cultural diversity enriches the workplace. It brings varied perspectives and ideas. A diverse workforce enhances problem solving. It fosters innovation and adaptability. Embracing diversity is beneficial for organizational growth. Strategies for diversity management are essential. Encourage inclusion and respect. Provide diversity training programs. Address biases and promote equality. A well-managed, diverse workforce drives success. This video outlined essential strategies for success. Have questions? Send us a message on WhatsApp at 074843 61688. See you at the next session. Thanks for your attention.